Let's be real for a second. Most business owners know they need better systems, automations, follow-ups, reviews, lead management, but not everyone has the time to figure it all out. That's where I come in. I don't just hand you another tool and say, good luck. The Ultimate Pro plan is designed to be your unfair advantage. You see, I build many of the system features for you. Workflows, automations, chatbots, and AI voice agent, even your review generation widget. Here's the difference. I don't just disappear after setup. I stay in your corner as your partner, making sure you not only have the right tools, but that you actually know how to use them. That means you're not just getting a bunch of workflows done for you, you're getting the knowledge to make them work for the long haul. Think of it like having a coach and a builder in one. So if you're tired of piecing together half-baked tools or still sitting on the fence wondering if this is worth it, this is your chance to grab an unfair advantage. All you need to do is schedule a call. Because at the end of the day, your time is too valuable to waste on trial and error. You could keep piecing things together, or you could have one complete system that's built, done, and working for you. Honestly, it's the easiest yes you'll make all year.